Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce broccoli. First, gather your fresh broccoli and essential dairy items. We'll then prepare a smooth, lump-free bechamel sauce. Finally, combine the cooked broccoli with the creamy sauce for a delicious side dish. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and easily, ensuring a perfect result every time. Let's start with the broccoli. Begin by washing one large head of broccoli and cutting it into bite-sized florets. You can steam or boil these florets until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, make sure to drain them very well to remove any excess water. Set the prepared broccoli aside while we focus on the sauce. Now for the star of the show, the white sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux. Gradually add 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps until the sauce thickens. Finish by seasoning with salt, pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for a wonderful flavor. With both components ready, it's time to bring them together. Gently fold the cooked broccoli florets into your warm, creamy white sauce, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated. Transfer this delightful dish to a serving bowl immediately. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of your favorite cheese. Enjoy this comforting and delicious side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.